In this video, we will look at the data collection and template filling process for the trade type. The trade license application makes the process of obtaining a trade license easy, smooth, and transparent. The module, hence, removes the need for manual processing and streamlines the key trade license management functions to provide a better user experience. The trade type can be defined as the next, second, level classification of trade. There can be multiple trade types and the list may vary from one state ULB to another. To create the trade category masters list, download the data template. As we can see on the screen, there are 4 columns: trade type code, trade type name in English, trade type name in local language, trade category code. All the stars shown in the header signify that the particular header is mandatory. Identify the different trade types before you start filling the template. After filling the data into the template, use the checklist to ensure the data filled is perfect by going through each and every checklist entity and comparing the data. We hope this video has helped you to understand the provided template and how